All right, just got here. You get a projector screen. It has an accessory for your phone. You could Bluetooth into it. It has an app you could download. You could set up as an alarm. But today we're going to show you some features, all right? Of course, Bluetooth is very simple to set up, but I like that they give you alarm clock and other things. So if you have a kid that's waking up late, or maybe for yourself, you want to make sure light up the actual entire area. Let's take a look at it. Perfect. This is a projector, but not a regular projector. This actually can project different images, right? The power brick, USB Type-C, and the actual module itself. Control speakers for the speaker itself, because it is Bluetooth. And then the actual display, laser show, plugged in, 5 volts. And then the speakers on the side, ejection button for the actual different modules that you can set up for your display. I'm gonna give you a little light show how to use this, all right? All right, right now it's asking for Bluetooth mode, all right? So one recommendation, do not point this to the direction of eyes. It has to be facing up, all right? So Bluetooth is trying to identify right now. We're not gonna do the Bluetooth. We're actually gonna go straight to projector. So by hitting the button in the center, either it goes laser or the actual planets, all right? And we're gonna put the laser and planets. So let me bring the projector screen so you guys can see a little bit more of the projector. So they do give you a case with all the actual films, if you guys can see that. I'm gonna select another one right now, and they give you a bunch of them. So we're gonna just randomly select one here. You pull it out. Just make sure it's facing the same direction, all right? So we got our film. We're gonna get this one, slide it in there. And if you do it by mistake, it won't close, all right? So just make sure it won't close, even if you make it by mistake, right? Try not to touch the actual film. You don't want to fingerprints. We're gonna put this in here, slide it in there, and then we're gonna turn it on so you guys can see it. All right, so let me turn it on for you guys. So let's power it up. One.
Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode. And there it is. This is the ocean one. This is where we just added the slide, right? And you got multiple slides in here. So if you want to make it a nightlight for your child or your children or for yourself, this is perfect. It lights up the entire room. You can move it anywhere, adjust it. It has 3 different directions. You could even put it down on the flat on the ground. You could add maybe white noise if you want to put on, because it's like I said, it has a Bluetooth built in. Speakers are not super loud, but they're loud enough to put you to sleep. So really neat, really simple item. I like the reflections of it, the laser show, and the slideshow. So out of the box, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.